Hey guys, this is Countman from Trade for Freedom. Happy Saturday. Okay, before we're going to do some review on some stocks. So before that, have a look at our disclaimer. I will leave it here for 3 seconds before we move on. Okay, so the first stock we're going to look at is SPY. So to get the indication of how the US stock options market will perform in the next coming weeks, so we look at SPY first, and as you can see now, there is a diamond pattern. Okay, diamond pattern is one of our Fab 3 patterns. The three of our favorite patterns is one of them. So each time you see a diamond pattern coming from the bottom, and then it forms a diamond pattern. So basically, this is like manipulation. Okay, we are expecting the price to break towards the upside 70% of the time. Okay, 30% it might break down, but our bias is breaking towards the upside. Okay, and so I've done this many times. We're going to use some Fibo projection levels. Okay, I'm just going to use the 8 hours chart that I can see this a bit clearly. So we are expecting price. Okay, now we are heading towards a resistance here in the first market cycle. So it rejected, it came down, it bounced off where the door was open for the price to go up. And so we are expecting SPY to head towards the upside. Around 770 will be our initial target for the ending of market cycle 2. Okay, so if it breaks past 773, 775, then we're expecting price to go up to 800. But for now, short-term price targets, we are expecting price to go up to 770. All right, that is for SPY. Next, we have Snowflake. Okay, let's have a look at Snowflake. Let me zoom out a bit and see how this stock is performing. Okay, it started up, it traded up to, it went up, then it came down, it tried to go up again, it made a double top, and then the buyers lost interest and the price sold off, and now it's slowly making a climb. However, it's within the range. So we have a support at the bottom, and then we have some sort of expanding diagonal towards the top. Okay, so we're expecting price to just range like this for Snowflake. Okay, so if we want to know if this is going to start going down, okay, if now price is heading towards the downside, and if we are expecting price to stop, it should stop around the 205 mark. Or if it goes further down, we're expecting price to reach the ending of the market cycle around 150 to 160, around this area, before trying to make a push towards the upside. Okay, that is Snowflake. Next, we have LLY, Eli Lilly. This company has been around for quite some time. Okay, let me zoom out and have a look at Eli Lilly. Okay, Eli Lilly is a very strong stock. So it's basically wave 1, wave 2, wave A, B, C of 3, wave 4, A, B, C, 5. Okay, it's towards the end of the first major wave 1 pattern that consists of 5 wave patterns within. Okay, so now LLY is towards like A, B, and towards a C of wave 5, or the ending should be quite soon before a correction that might come. So let's have a look closely and see what's happening. So LLY is on its way up right now. Let's see where it should end. Okay, so it went past market cycle 1. Now it's rejecting towards market cycle 2. Smaller time frame shows that, okay, if it wants to come down, then it has to break past 1060 before the door is open for the price to retrace. So currently the market is still towards the upside. Okay, so yeah, it's still towards the upside. We won't know exactly. This is the support for now. Short-term support will be here. Okay, which will be around the 1070 mark. So we're expecting price to either bounce or price to break. So let's see what happens with Eli Lilly. Next, we have HIMS. I think HIMS has been performing in the last week. As expected, we covered this stock because we've got some interest from our Discord users as well. So the minute this is solid demand zone, it respected the bottom. So this is basically we expect this to be the completion of wave 4, and now to climb to be an ABC or wave 5. So it's just bullish for HIMS year on out. So it went up in what do you call this, a channel. Okay, it went up in a channel. And so now it has broken past market cycle 1, broken past market cycle 2. So we're looking forward for HIMS to reach market cycle 3, which is around 37 to 39. Okay, And then, but once it reaches here, we shall see what happens. If it rejects, then maybe you find a way to come down a bit. If it breaks past, then we will draw these Fibonacci ratios on a bigger time frame. But for now, we are expecting HIMS to reach easily 37 to 39. Okay. So there are many confluences. Number one is the top of the channel. Okay, we have that trend line. And then number two will be the Fibo ratios, the extension, ending a market cycle. Okay. And number three, look at the momentum going out. Okay. And you can see at this area here, we also have some sort of resistance around here as well. Resistance, 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 support. Okay. So we're expecting price to reach around 37, 39 in the next coming week or so. That's for HIMS. Now we have a look at SPCX. Okay, SPCX, we've covered it also. It's quite a pity because it made 5 waves up and then this is a solid demand zone. We expected price to move up from here. However, it did not respect the solid demand zone. So it traded further down. But this doesn't mean that the stock is bearish for now. It means that now so basically this is wave 1, wave 2 is a bit deeper. Okay, so basically this is wave A. I'm going to remove this demand zone as it's not respected. So it's basically wave A, B, and C for a correction of wave 2. So it's a deeper correction around the 61.8 to about 78.6 retracement. However, now we are looking for the price to hit towards the top and test the top at about 227. So and also there's a door on the way up now. Okay, there's a small door on the way up. Okay, so it's very crucial. Okay, rejected market cycle 1. So now two possible scenarios. One, it will come up to test market cycle 2 from here on out. If it doesn't push up now, if it breaks below 178, then it might come down a bit more. Okay, so the next 1 or 2 days is important for SPCX to continue the bullish sentiment for the stock. Okay, before we continue, this is our website, tradeforfreedom.co. So this is our dashboard. We have a lot of details here. We have a sector heat map and see which industries and sectors are doing well. And you can actually click on it, then you see the top 10 most performing stocks there. And also we have all the upcoming events categorized from low, medium, and high. We have a watch list that you can just edit, create, move the categories, create categories, and also add whatever tickers that you're looking forward to. And it's updated in real-time data. So even when the market is closed, example, data is not being refreshed on TradingView, the prices are moving over here. Join our Discord channel. A lot of value you can get from there, and upgrade to VIP if you like what we do and you want to learn more from us. Okay, that we include live alerts, setups, signals, and we are also launching our scalping strategies on the 28th of this month. And then we're going to start on the 29th of the following day. Okay, let's go back and see our stock. So the next stock we're going to have is RKLB. What's happening at RKLB? Let me have a look. Okay, RKLB, as I mentioned this before, it's moving up in the trend line in overshot. So it's coming back to the trend line. Few possible scenarios. Okay, one, it will reject the top part of the trend line. Okay, now it's stalling. It's moving sideways, so we wouldn't know. It might push up or you might go further down and test the bottom part of trend line before trying to hit towards the upside. Okay, that's for RKLB. Very straightforward. Next, we have QCOM. Qualcomm. Okay, let's see what's happening with this stock. Qualcomm. Okay, Qualcomm looks solid, huh, guys? Wave 1, wave 2. Okay, there's wave A, B of C, wave 3, wave 4, and FBC of wave 5. So it looked like based on the harmonic Elliott wave, this might be the end, the wave 5. Plus you have a triple top. So we are expecting price to drop towards the bottom part of the channel and test the support around this area. Very, very strong support around here. Okay, let's see if it's actually confirmed that it might make a way move down. Okay, there's a door open over here. The door is open over here, so we're expecting price. So it broke market cycle 1. It's coming up to test this support, becomes resistance now. So if it rejects here, we're expecting price to come down and at least test this area here. Okay, at 175 before trying to make a push to the upside. So we shall see how this stock plays out in the long run. Okay, guys, that's it. So do join us We are on Discord, we are on X, YouTube, Facebook. So like, follow, and share. And see you guys in the Discord, okay? Happy weekend, guys. Ciao.